Buongiorno amici, I'm Dr. Lucia Aronica. Is fasting safe for all people? In this video, my 8 years young mom asked this question to Professor Valter Longo during his lecture for my Stanford course on longevity. If you want to see more science and less hype on YouTube, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. My mother would like to ask a question to Valter. My mother is 8 years old and she's healthy and she would like to know from Valter what Valter suggests. Can you ask your question, Mamma, in italiano?
Buonasera, io ho 80 anni e seguo una dieta a basso contenuto di carboidrati raffinati ed evito completamente gli zuccheri. Volevo chiederle se seguo la dieta mima-digiuno otterrò ulteriori benefici oppure sto bene così.
Yeah, so my mom asked, yes, whether she's already healthy, she has a normal weight, she's 8 years old, and she's having a real Mediterranean diet. So a Mediterranean diet without the 5 P's. And it's so the FMD is something for her. She can benefit from the FMD.
Yeah, so we are now recommending the FMD past the age of 70 for now, not because we don't think it could be beneficial, but because we haven't tested it clinically for the over 70. And but we are testing now the FMD on Alzheimer's patients, and so which are going to be up to 85 years of age. So once we're finished with that, we're going to feel much more comfortable, probably, based on the results, saying maybe this could be something for even older people. And it also depends, right? Depends on the weight and how much fat reserves are there. So if most of the people after 65, they lose weight. They lose a lot of weight. So by age 80, they might be underweight or frail, and Italians particularly are actually particularly frail compared to Northern Europeans. So yeah, so then it's a matter of what about the bones? What about the muscle? What about lean body mass? And can this person afford to do a fasting mimicking diet? And what reason would she or he do the fasting mimicking diet for? So for Alzheimer, it's a clear reason, right? So at that point, the risk is something that can be taken. And I think it was a good idea to think about that trial.
Thank you very much.
La ringrazio, buonasera.
Buonasera.